So a company reached out to me on my Instagram and they asked me to review a unit. I'm going to post the link to their website below. Oh, look at them lips. Yeah, that was a filter. Okay, anyway, I unboxed it. This is the company right here that sent it to me, or maybe the brand. Let me rephrase that. That's the brand. And the color is a T33-127, I believe. And I am taking off the paper and the... Anyway, here it is. I'm popping it on my big old head, because I do got a big head. Pull it down, adjust it just a little bit, and voila. What y'all think? Completely out of my comfort zone, completely different, but I like it. There I go, feeling myself. Bam, bam, bam.